Hey there, I'm Chris with CITE.biz, and today I'm covering the basics of file sharing in Microsoft Teams. The easiest way to share files is by simply dragging and dropping them into an existing chat or new post. For this example, we'll create a new post. Next, we'll find the file or files we want to share. Click, drag, drop, and you're done. Alternatively, you can share files by clicking on the plus for actions and apps. Clicking on Attach File will allow you to select from a list of recent files, files located on a OneDrive account, and files located in various teams and channels. To access shared files, go to the Files tab at the top of the chat or channel. Here, you'll find all the files that have been shared. While you're here, you can organize your files with folders. Click on New and select Folder. Once you've created a folder, simply drag and drop the files of your choosing into that folder. You can even set permissions by clicking on the three dots and selecting Manage Access. And those are your file sharing basics. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.